Welcome to AI Beat, the podcast that keeps you informed about the latest breakthroughs, market shifts, and innovations shaping the world of AI. If you're eager to stay ahead, make sure to subscribe to the daily Flash Trends newsletter, your go-to source for concise, expert insights on tomorrow's tech today. Now let's dive into what's happening this week in AI. Imagine a future where predicting the performance of massive language models no longer requires costly trial and error training. That's precisely what MIT researchers have achieved with their new set of AI scaling laws. These laws allow organizations to estimate how large language models will perform before a single line of code is run. This breakthrough is set to transform how companies plan AI projects, dramatically reducing costs and speeding up development cycles. It's a game changer in making AI more accessible and efficient. Meanwhile, quantum computing is making impressive strides. Researchers have demonstrated that quantum neural networks can now match classical AI models in tasks like credit risk assessment and image classification on datasets like MNIST. This signals that quantum machine learning is moving from theoretical promise to practical application, opening new pathways for AI systems that could be faster and more powerful than ever before. In the medical field, AI continues to prove its potential to save lives. A validated deep learning model for lung cancer risk estimation from CT scans has shown to outperform traditional risk assessment methods during clinical trials. This means that AI isn't just a research topic anymore. It's actively transforming diagnostics, enabling earlier detection and better patient outcomes. On the privacy front, the legal landscape remains complex but stabilizing. The EU-US data privacy framework has been upheld by the General Court, ensuring that transatlantic data flows can continue with legal clarity. This stability is vital for global businesses that rely on cross-border data sharing, maintaining a balance between innovation and privacy protections. In the life sciences, innovation is accelerating with the launch of Causali's first agentic AI platform. This specialized system automates complex research workflows and synthesizes biomedical data, providing transparent and evidence-backed insights. Imagine having an autonomous research assistant that can analyze vast amounts of data and help develop new drugs faster. That's the promise of agentic AI in healthcare. Data democratization is also gaining ground. QLIC has announced the general availability of its Open Lakehouse platform, built on open standards like Apache Iceberg. This platform simplifies real-time analytics, allowing organizations to access and analyze data more freely without vendor lock-in or heavy infrastructure. It's a step toward making enterprise data more accessible and actionable. Looking beyond Earth, space-based AI computing is taking a giant leap. Axiom Space has announced a collaboration to establish an orbital data center on the International Space Station. This pioneering effort aims to run AI and machine learning workloads in space, opening up a new frontier for research, satellite management, and even space exploration. On the hardware side, AI chip startups are attracting massive investments, over $7.6 billion in funding this year alone, driven by breakthroughs in neuromorphic, photonic, and edge computing chips. This surge in hardware innovation underscores that the next wave of AI performance gains will come from smarter, faster, and more efficient chips. In finance, traditional banks are embracing open finance. JP Morgan Chase and Plaid have renewed their data sharing partnership, enabling consumers to connect their financial data securely with fintech apps. This collaboration enhances personalized banking and financial management, reflecting a broader shift toward more open and integrated financial ecosystems. Finally, enterprise AI readiness is evolving rapidly. Microsoft's latest updates to its Fabric platform incorporate features like Graph and Maps, transforming enterprise data from static storage into a dynamic, AI-ready environment. This shift empowers organizations to move beyond simple data storage and toward intelligent decision-making. As we look at all these stories, what stands out is the incredible pace of change across every facet of AI, from fundamental research and hardware to applications in healthcare, finance, and even space. It's a landscape marked by rapid innovation, strategic collaboration, and a clear move toward making AI more efficient, accessible, and impactful. Thanks for tuning in to this week's AI Beat. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us next time as we continue to explore the future unfolding before us.